Hello, I found the kjv.sql. So let me record this very quickly. First of all, you download this from from iStudy our class. Download this po. Of course, you have to save us and whatever it is. And then after saving that, I clicked it and then click I clicked it and then I right click, save as, and then I saved it somewhere. I saved it in DFL. Now uh, it's here, bibles.sql.txt. Now class, let's how are we going to do it? In opac test, you need to quit and you need to cd Apache to cd htdocs cddfl. cd means change directory. So you will see now that the path where I am now in the WAPStack environment is the same as where I downloaded bibles.txt. In fact, if I type dir, it will show that we have a 7 megabyte file. So the commands, I just quit opac test. I cd into Apache 2. I cd htdocs, cd dfl. When you successfully type cd Apache 2, it will the prompt will, what's happening in the sound? The prompt will hello, check. Okay. Okay. I don't know why my sound is like this. The sound, oh, this is an check my test check. I hope you can ignore that. When you successfully cd into Apache, your prompt will be like this. When you go inside htdocs, your prompt will be like this. When you go into dfl, your prompt will be like this. When you dir in dfl, you'll have a file. If you want to cd to the parent directory, you can just type that. If you want to cd back to dfl, you can just type cd period cd dfl. And to list the files is dir. It will show the directory. Now, when I type psql-u postgres opac test, we are here. I can type \i bibles.sql.txt. What will happen, class, is it will read the file bibles.sql.txt as an input that contains plenty of SQL commands. If we edit this, you will see, class, that it's just full of create table, create sequence, create, and insert, insert, insert. It inserts the whole table from Genesis to Revelation, 31,000 lines of Bible text into the database. So let's see if it works. Where is RPSQL? This one. Let's see. Wait. Enter. So that's what happened. Am I really recording this? Yes. I can see myself very small. Okay. So it will take some time because it's 31,000 32,031,103 Bible verses being inserted into the database. Actually, if you start another Bitnami thing, Bitnami connection here, if you start another one, now okay, now it finished. So I don't need the other one. I just exit. Now, it finished inserting so many things in the table. When I list the tables, uy, what happened? Let me try. When I quit and then come back, we have a Bibles table here. And when I type select asterisk from Bibles, it has so many rows. If you see more, you can just press Q to quit. So I can select, I can describe Bibles, and it has a version, book, chapter, verse, number, verse sequence, book number, quick reference, book title. So if I want to select all the verses where the verse has the word create, sorry, it should be Bibles, then it will give me in the beginning God created, and God created 45 rows from Genesis to Revelation. Now we want to immediately copy and paste our workers, copy, paste, sorry, and rename it to Bible.php. And let's edit Bible.php to query from Bibles. Okay, now let's browse. I'm very excited. I'm so excited, class. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. We're not going to click this one. We're going to click this. Now, by default, it's searching for everything. Therefore, there are 31,102 results immediately. So when we type here Sabbath, how many verses in the Bible are there about Sabbath? When we click submit, 146. By the way, I want to put another code here that uh, when when the $S is blank, we should not execute anything. Okay? If strlen get s is less than 1, we will just exit. Okay? Because I don't want to query the whole database when they did not ask a question. So what happened here is that this is the thing that the S that the user enters. strlen returns the number of characters in that string. If the number of characters is less than 1, I just want to exit. I don't want to query the whole Bible when they did not ask for it, because it takes long time to load. So when we actually go to Bible here, oh sorry, let's put a silencer. Oops, not here, here. Okay, when we type, let me see the name of the daughter of my cousin. Oh, her name is in the Bible, in Judges. So what happens if it's blank? Oh, what was? Okay, let's make it nicer. Let's put something here. H1. Oh, font size equals 5. Bible search font. Oh, huh? Of course, let's make it different colors. Font color blue slash font. I try to make it a little bit colorful. Font color yellow, green, font. How many more letters? Bible. Green, yellow, orange, red, violet. Oh, boy. Why are there two letter I's? Oh, huh? I is very difficult to read. Maybe I'll just make it green. Okay, Bible search. Why are there spaces? Because I put time is so fast. I have to go to work now. Okay, we now have a Bible search. Let us look for mark of the beast. I wonder if there is. Oh, it is here. Where? In Revelation 16. Okay, class. We now have a Bible search. You want to learn how I did it? Just rewind this video. Have a nice day, and I hope you get to this